All the populations of different kinds of organisms living in the same place is known as letter A, ecosystem, letter B, habitat, letter C, niche, or letter D, community. What is our choice? Tumpak na choice po natin here would be letter D. That would be your community. Bakit, no? If there is only one organism, you may call this an individual, di ba? Individual. If there is a group of the same type of your species, you call this your population. So kapag sinabi mo pong population, parehas po silang klase ng species, no? So for example, when you say population, no, sa inyo pong barangay, lahat po ng tao yung pinag-uusapan, hindi po kasama yung hayop, no, yung hayop mong kaibigan. Now, ito po yung ating hinahanap. Remember, sabi different kinds of organisms. So, pag iba-iba ng klase ng organismo, we call this your community. Kaya po letter D ang ating choice. Now, what about ecosystem naman po, Coach Mac? Kapag sinabi mo pong ecosystem, this is your biotic, no? Your living, biotic, and your non-living, your abiotic or abiotic factors. Okay? So, living and non-living, no? So, hindi lamang po iba't ibang klase ng organismo. Meron din, of course, yung inyong bato, yung tubig, yung sikat ng araw, temperature, pinag-uusapan na po sa inyong ecosystem.